Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable quick launch with Fingerprint on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First, you have to open settings on your device, then scroll down to accessibility and convenience menu, and in this menu scroll down to quick launch option. To enable quick launch, switch this toggle to the right, and then if you don't have a fingerprint enrolled, tap add, agree to statement of use, enter your lock screen pattern, and then before you add a fingerprint, I highly recommend wiping the surface of the screen, or at least the bottom part of your screen, using a microfiber cloth or a dry towel to make sure that there are no stains and your fingerprint gets read clearly. Tap add fingerprint and then proceed by pressing the fingerprint sensor with different parts of your fingertip for the best experience. Use the finger, of course, obviously the one that you'll be unlocking your phone with. Then tap down and now select the applications that you want to access in the current menu. To edit the list of applications, tap right here and select the applications from the list. Here we have functions, and to select a particular app, go to App tab, and in order to add a new one, first you're gonna have to remove an old application and then tap on a new one to add it. Tap down, and now to start using this feature, we're gonna have to hold down the fingerprint sensor until the options appear, but I think it's kind of tricky. Just keep holding down the space on the screen where your fingerprint sensor is located, and then select an app that you want to open immediately after unlocking your device. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.